certified group fitness instructor, healthy living coach, and I'm so happy that you're here for a 15-minute dumbbell upper body circuit workout. So this is gonna be super fun. We are gonna hit all of the upper body muscles, and we're also gonna have some nice cardio boosts in there. 30 minutes of work per exercise. We'll repeat it. We got a couple circuits coming up. If you're ready, have a pair of light to medium weights. I've got some 8-pounders here. Find something that works for you, and let's get ourselves ready to work out. So come and join me at the end of your mat if you've got a mat around, and reach your arms up nice and high, lifting up, standing tall, engage your core. And let's walk. Dive those hands down, and then walk it out to a plank, and walk it back. So we are right away, just warming up, reach, big lift, and lower down. I love using these plank walkouts to just awaken the body, get a little heat in there. All right, keep going. And especially since our focus is on our upper body, we're warming up those arms. Keep going. Good, and back. Let's do that one more time. Lower it down and walk it out and bring it back. Good job. Reach it up. Spread your arms out nice and wide, and just find a twist here. As we twist, just naturally let your heel lift as you twist, and just feel that nice sway with your arms as you move through this. Maybe you start to extend and reach an arm up to a corner of the room. Big stretch. And one more each side. Good, bring it in, interlace the fingers, and just straighten and extend that there. Tilt the head up, open your chest. Good, and then bring the hands one on top of the other. Round that out for a moment. Lift it up, and lower that down. Okay, so here is what it's going to be like. For our first circuit, each exercise is 30 seconds. We're gonna start with push-ups. We've got back flies, then we're gonna go to shoulder presses, a 30-second burpee for your cardio burst. We'll do that one time through, we'll do it again, and then it's done, and then I'll tell you about our next circuit coming up real soon. All right, so your push-ups, we start with 30 seconds. If you choose to do them on your toes, do it. If you want to do them on your knees, go for that as well. If it feels better to have your hands on top of dumbbells, choose that as well. So find something that works for you. We're gonna get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, down and up. Now tempo is totally up to you. You choose your speed. You can go nice and slow, or you can pick up the pace and go a little faster. Keep going, abs are in and braced, eyes looking a little forward. And remember, this is a beautiful option. And this is also a beautiful option here, kneeling. So I want you to find what works wherever you're at your workout today. We got 5 more seconds here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Since we're down, we're gonna stay down, grab your weights. Take one leg forward. I'll show you at an angle. Palms face in. We're gonna fly and in. I'll show you here, fly and in. Again, out and in. Now, no higher than the shoulder height. A little bend in those elbows. Good. Focusing on those strong back muscles here. Out and in, out and in. We've got 3 more seconds. 2, 1. Stand up. Bring them up. Press and down. Now, if you didn't want to come up, you can always be kneeling on the ground for this. But if you want to stand, do it. Feet are under your hips, or you can have a foot back, like so. Keep going up and down, up and down. Tempo, remember, up to you. The slower we go, sometimes that's harder. But sometimes picking up that tempo is a great variety too. So you pick and set that down. Burpee time. All right, we're here. Jump, push up if you'd like, and up. Little hop if you want. Good. Now with those push-ups, if you choose to do them, you can do tricep push-ups. You can have your hands out wider. It's up to you. You can always step and not do a push-up, step and stand up, down, hold. Good, almost there, 5 more seconds. And done with that. Come to the ground. One more round through, let's find those push-ups. Here we go. Down and up, down, up. Nice. We are only going through this circuit 2 times. So you're already in your final one. Keep going down and up, down and up. Almost there. 5 more seconds. Woo. I am tuning in and listening to my body. I want to keep moving. Good form is so important. All right, back to that fly. Ready? Bring your foot forward, hinge. We go out and in. Now your eyes, they're not up here. Tuck your chin in so you're looking just a little bit past your toes. Keeping the neck feeling good. You got this. Out and in. 5 more seconds to go. Out, in. Yes, 1 more. Good. I'm going to show you that kneeling option for the press. Up, down. Now, if you're in a hardwood without a mat, without a pad, definitely stand up. We want some cushion for those knees. Keep going, up and down. Up and down. Nice work. Almost there. Almost done with these shoulder presses. Whoo, yes. 5 more seconds. Then we're heading back to those burpees. 3, 2, 1. Good. Set it down. Burpee time. Here we go. Back and up. Jump if you want. Make them work for you, friends. Whew, my weights are in my way. Remember, you don't have to do the push-up. You don't have to jump. You can step like this, and maybe you're just picking up that tempo. Find it work. Power up, however it's gonna work for you. 3, 2, 1. Break. 30-second break while I tell you all about our next round. I hope you're feeling so good. We're done with our chest. We're done with our back. We do have a little more shoulders, but not the press, a different move. So we're gonna be starting. We'll have bicep curls. We'll go in and we'll go out. From there, we'll hinge for tricep press. We're gonna have side raises and then burpees. Are you ready? 3, 2, let's go. Up and out, just 30 seconds. Now we're here for 30 seconds. If you got a heavy weight, choose that heavy weight. Keep going. When you do that bicep curl, I want you to keep your elbows right under the shoulders, not digging in. They've got their own little bit of space. Keep going. Up, down, up, and down. Yes. And 1 more to the front. Let's hinge forward. So find that hinge. Nice neutral spine. Elbows are glued. Kick and in. Kick and in. All about the back of the upper arm here. See how high you can keep that elbow. And if it feels like it becomes too much, just know anytime we're doing both arms, you can always alternate as an option. Let's do both if you like. We've got 3, 2, 1. Stand up, side raise, in and out. Now go ahead and find that 90-degree elbow to start. And when you lift up, notice your weights are right in front of your elbows. We're not letting our wrists fly up in the air higher than those elbows. We want to try to keep them about the same height. You can always take your hands out a little wider and do straight arm, but depending on the weight, find one that works good today. All right, burpee time. Set your weights down. Here we go. Jump it back, push up and up. Woo! Have some fun with it. And up. 30 seconds, all we got here. You are almost done with the second round. Yeah, that's right. Second circuit, I should say. We're halfway through almost. Good, 1 more. And up. Whew. Cardio burst. Grab your weights. Bicep curl in and out. Up and out. Just like that. Up and out. Can you squeeze those biceps a little more? From here, let's make every second count. Take that mind to the muscle. We talk about it all the time because it's so important. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Tricep kickback. Elbows high. Back is neutral. Here we go. Kick and in. Now here's a little tip to get a little more out of it. Stop shorter. So when the weights are by the hips, right there. Oh yeah, that gives you no break. But why not? Because we only have 10 more seconds left. Might as well give it what we got. Yes, yes. 3, 2, 1. Side raise out and in. 30 seconds. This is your last little bit of work with a weight. And you know what's coming, right? All we've got left in that circuit is our burpee. Now, we don't have a full circuit after this, but we do have a 1-minute plank finisher. It's gonna be good. I know, you're getting really excited right now, aren't you? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set those weights down. Let's do our burpee up. Bring it back. Bring it up. Hop if you want. Push up if you want. You guys know the drill. Make it work for you. That is what it's all about. Keep going. Almost there. What have you got left? Oh, 10 more seconds. Yes, yes. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. All right, I promised you a 1-minute plank finisher, so let's get to it. Find that plank, hold that there. We're gonna change it every 15 seconds. 15 seconds on the hands, 15 seconds on the elbows. We'll go back on the hands, back on the elbows, and that is going to be it. Now no, you can be here. We worked our shoulders a lot. They might be toast. Find your elbows. So this is a beautiful option to take. Do it for as long as you can. Remember, 15 seconds, then change comes. You can always have those knees up. Good work. Almost halfway there. On your hands. Final time in your traditional plank. Hold. Breathe. Can you brace the core a little more? Yeah, you know you can. On your elbows. This is it. Final 15 seconds of work. Then you guys, we're gonna stretch it all out. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! So good. Come and take a seat. How do you feel? Amazing? Do you feel stronger in your entire upper body? Feel a little shake, a little out of breath? I hope I'm not alone in that part of it. All right, sit comfortably however that feels. Take your arm across, relax your shoulder. We're gonna stretch that out. Those shoulders. Man, they were like the secret worker in this entire workout. You know, they had their dedicated exercises, the shoulder press, the side raise, but they were working in so many more of the other moves, our push-ups, stability for our back fly, and then of course our burpees. Anytime we go into a plank, your shoulders are working. So if you feel them, well friend, I'm with you. I do too. Take it to the other side. They are just a muscle group that we use all the time. So it's important that we strengthen them, we bring that stability in them so that we're able to do things, lift things up overhead, grab things, carry things. They're really important that we take care of them and that we strengthen them. Release that, bring your arm up, triceps, stretch, gently pull that back. And this always feels so good. A little lean over to the side. Oh, yes, I hope it feels like magic for you too. Good, lift it up, other side, arm up, and stretch that out. And again, ooh, just a gentle lean, so amazing. All right, release, open up your chest here. Pull that back. If it feels good, even interlace your fingers and straighten that out. Good. And then go ahead and take your hands one on top of the other, rounding here, and then release through your upper back. Lift your hands up and release that down. Give your shoulders a nice roll here. Oh, I hope they feel good. I hope that you feel good and that you had fun in our workout today. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel. Let me know what you thought of this 15-minute dumbbell workout. If you want more like this, let me know, because I love creating workouts that you guys are into. Thumbs up, please. Subscribe, and I can't wait to see you again at our next workout.